You guys can unmute yourself and take some questions if you want. किसी
Hi,
का
sir.
कुछ तो क्वेश्चन होगा.
Hi, sir.
Hi Omsai, you can call me Kanan.
Sir. Hi, Kanan. My name is Om Sai Prakash. I'm currently doing industrial training. So my doubt is
That's
whether
great.
after completion of my final, it is good to join industry or to join in Big Four.
See, that is a tough question, of course. But what's your long-term goal? I must ask that first of all. What's your long-term goal? Is it to become a consultant in a Big Four, or is it to get into industry only? And why did you
To
do industrial training in the first place if you're thinking of moving to Big Fours? I'm just asking, not
so the,
questioning.
to get into industry only is my first time.
To get into industry, okay. See, Big Fours में ये होता है. Of course, if you get into audit or corporate tax or in fact even indirect tax, क्योंकि हर कंपनी में indirect tax की तो practice होती है. So what happens here is you get exposure, अच्छा exposure मिलता है. Audit में मतलब मैं तो tax article हूँ इसलिए मैं आपको इतना सारा tax के बारे में बता पा रहा हूँ. Audit में भी काफी अच्छा experience मिलता है. So 2 साल करना is very good. The kind of exposure, the kind of personality that you develop after getting into a Big Four is is great. Is great. So I believe 2 साल करने में कोई problem नहीं है. करो उसके बाद एक जंप लेके आओ इंडस्ट्री में. अगर आपको शुरू में अच्छी से 15-16 लाख रुपए की नौकरी मिल रही है तो करो. फिर मतलब 7-8 लाख रुपए की नौकरी करने का फिर सेंस नहीं है. So yeah, I hope I was able to solve your query. Omsai, आपको कोई doubt है इस पे further follow up question कोई?
No, Karan. Thank you very much. That's great.
Great. Any more questions, please? I'm sure आपके पास बहुत questions होंगे. We'll cover some my articleship journey, how I could crack exams in the first attempt. It's not tough at all, and this is ये कोई बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ चढ़ के बोलने वाली बात नहीं है, but see बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते. I'll tell you how I did it, but before that, any questions relating to articleship or as Omsai asked?
Hello, Kanan. Payal this side.
Payal.
Yes.
Okay. Hi, Payal.
If we consider only monetary terms, then what pays you more, a job in the industry or a job in the Big Four?
Depends. See, it all depends on the job that you're getting. I've seen CS being hired for 5,81,000 at TCS. I myself got a job of around 40 lakhs offer in the campus placement. It was the highest of that time, May 2019. I got into ETG. So it all depends which job you're getting. But typical pay scale of a Big Four employee in the starting, if you're not from a Big Four, is 8 lakhs, 8.5 lakhs plus incentives, which are anywhere between 10 to 30%. If you are asking me in monetary terms, I think I've answered. You can ask if something was not clear.
No, it is clear. Thank you.
Hi, Kanan. Krisha here.
Hi, Krisha. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. In regards to Omsai's question, if my end goal is, I'm not sure right now if I would prefer an industry or I would prefer being a consultant in the Big Four. If I do my industrial training, does that put me at a disadvantage with the Big Four
Not at
companies?
all. Not at all. Not at all. It rather adds up to your CV.
So
Not
right
at all.
now I am in my first year of articleship and I'm working with PwC only. And right now I have planned that I will do industrial training because that's what my thought was. But that does not affect any future prospects that I have, right?
Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Rather, you're in a win-win situation when you're starting from PwC and you will end up doing an industrial training. You're in a win-win situation. You need not bother.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.